Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Discord account using the mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Discord app either from your Play or Google Store. Then from here, open up the app. So now I've opened up Discord, and then it will come to this page where it says welcome to Discord. Hang out, play games, or just talk. Tap below to get started. So if you've got an account, just simply click on login. But this video is about how to make a Discord account. So we need to click on the register button. And now from here, you've got two choices. You can enter your phone or email to create your account. So if you've got a phone number, you can jot it in here, or you can try email. What I'm going to do for this demonstration, I'm going to do email. I'm going to put in my email address here. All right, so I've jotted down my email address. Now we need to hit the next button to the next page. Now we need to put in your name. So you can use emoji and special characters if you like, but I'm just going to keep this super simple, and I'm just going to call it Tutorial Wiz. And then I'm going to hit next. All right, so my username is available, which is nice. I can use my username. If it says it's taken, just simply change up your username. You can even use some emojis or special characters to get that desired username. Now from here, put in a password. So choose a password strong enough you will remember. All right, once I've done that, password must be 8 or more characters as well. Then click on the next button. Now from here, put in how old you are. So change your date of birth, like so. Make sure to hit the confirm button, like so, and then click on create account. And then it will say, wait, are you human? Please confirm you're not a robot. Click confirm. Now give this a few moments. Now we might need to solve a captcha. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'll see you on the next part. All right, so once you completed your captcha, go ahead and click on verify. Then you'll be taken to this page where it says find your friends, sync your contacts to find people you know on Discord. So if you want to go ahead and click allow, or you can simply click on skip. And then we can allow people to find me, verify. So then once you're at the end of this, you need a verification. So verify by email, go ahead and click on that. And then please check your email, follow the instructions to verify your account. And then, yeah, from there, you will have successfully created your new Discord account.